it is definitely not easy task to find an interior designer. We were in HSR looking around, and then we saw the Asense store. We saw the office from outside. It looked pretty nice. The taste seemed like something we were looking for. Something that specifically caught our eye in the store, which kind of made us decide. I would say two important factors. One was the versatility of the design, and of course customization. There was an abundance of that. And second, I think the team. The team was very welcoming, very warm, very understanding of what we wanted to do. They were pretty accommodating of whatever we had required, whatever our requirements were, and that was definitely a plus point, and that was something that we were missing. So that kind of made us settle that it's going to be Asense. When we were talking to the designers at Asense, we had agreed to have a lot of settings for the design session from our end because we had so many ideas, and I think the interior designer really helped us to channel all of those thoughts and ideas. Ashwin, our designer, he really helped us a lot, and he was very accommodating of all our requirements, listening to us. We had multiple sessions of design with him. It was a very good collaborative effort. They of course have worked a lot in this field, so they have a lot of ideas, and wherever there was a gap, it was filled with them sharing their ideas. So let's say they would send me reference images and everything, and even I would send a few, and that's how we would bridge that gap. But overall, I don't think so I faced any issues with kind of explaining my concept or my idea to them. Process planning is a very important thing, especially when it comes to when you're kind of designing your home. I think that's something that you're going to interact with on a daily basis. That's going to be your safe place. And I think the process, Asense was first of all very transparent. So we knew everything right up front, that this is how it's going to happen. These are the steps that are going to be followed, which was a very good plus point. And apart from that, I think the process was very smooth. But overall, especially I think one of the things which we were really impressed with as a whole was how fast the assembly process was, at how quickly all of this is going to get assembled. And very true, we were very surprised at how quickly everything came together. I would say that it's been a very good experience for us. The overall outcome speaks for itself, and I found it to be a pretty good value for money. I would say that they're very professional, very hospitable, very warm, very welcoming, and very efficient with the work that they do. The timeline that they had given to us was pretty much completed beforehand, I would say. I think everyone's really loved what's happened and how the space has changed completely. Friends and family have absolutely loved the changed look. I think there's not been someone who's come in and had anything but good things to say about the space. We're very impressed with the quality of the work. I think a lot of family members are also people who know a little bit about interior, so they've also been very, very happy with how the look has turned out. And overall we've gotten a pretty good response. A lot of people have also asked us that where did you get your interiors done, and definitely we would recommend Asense to them all the time.